All right, so here we are in my back office for Fusion Trader. So the guys, well, again, I don't know. I keep saying a guy because I assume it's a guy, but it could be a woman. It could be a woman, but whoever they are anonymous. They are anonymous. And if you heard that sound just now, that's a new swipe trade alert that just came through. New swipe trade alert. They are anonymous, and their name is Laser Focus. Their name is Laser Focus. So I'm going to click on. I use Trader's Way. I use Trader's Way for my broker, and I'm going to take you to close trades. Okay, close trades. Now, remember on the video here, the title I said 70% win rate. So the green means wins, the reds mean losses. The key to Forex trading, the key, I wanna really hit this home to you, okay? The key to Forex trading, which a lot of people get in trouble with, is risk management. You see my lot sizes right here. Now my lot sizes are low. I did change my lot size to 0.02, and I'm going to add more funds because this whole week the goal was to monitor this new trader. How is he going to do? I'm not going to feel right. I'm not going to feel comfortable bringing people into the Fusion Trader, into Fusion, if we're losing most of our trades. So that's why it took me so long to actually do a update video. And guys, let me check everything here. Okay, we're good. That's why it took me so long to do a update video, because you know, our first trader we had in here, and I think they're going to be adding more. Okay, this is a new product. We all know that new things take time to develop. The new trader, the trader that they had in here first, wasn't getting the job done. So what happened was the company added, the CEO added another trader who's I don't think it's ironic or a coincidence that their name is Laser Focus. And you know what? Here's the crazy thing. I can tell that they are laser focused by their trades. So the greens right here means wins 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, 3 losses. What is that? 70%. If my math is right, 70% win rate. That is, you know what? If you're practicing proper risk management, that is a winning week. That is a nice winning week right there. And you know what? I'm so confident in Laser Focus that they're going to do phenomenal. People are excited about this particular person, whoever's doing this trading. Now, this person, this professional, now this is not robots, by the way, okay? This is not a machine. This is an actual trader trading your account for you. And this is a different trader outside of the swipe trades, different trader, all right? So I just wanted to show you that, the update, you know, so that you can make a educated, sound decision on how you would like to make passive income online. This is one of my favorite ways because it is methodical. Forex trading is definitely a sought out skill that a lot of people want to learn, and I've been after this skill for a long time, guys, and I feel like I have found my home, especially with the team that I'm on. I mean, we have some traders in our team that are very good, and the training that's provided every week on top of what you get with inside of iMarkets Live, you can't beat it. It's priceless. It's priceless. What would you pay? You know, most people pay thousands of dollars to go to college, to go to school, to go out and work for someone else. What would you pay to learn a skill to free yourself from from your 9 to 5? How much would that be worth to you? Think about that. Think about that. All right.